here dun sa kanina. Yung isa lang yung pakay. Mga nakakatuong miles na kami nilakad. Right?
Angelo's
Birthday. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Dad!
Nagdadalawang isip kami ngayon. Kunin ko yung one. Alam niyo naman na hanapin
Di na white
dito. Hindi ko alam kung simulation siya or simulated na classroom siya. Pero as we can see, ginamit ko siya sa path. Hello guys, welcome. Hi. Good morning again. We are back on this vlogging journey. I just want to meet you. I just want you guys to meet pala yung mga friends ko. We have Kai right here. We got Angelo.
Oh, hello.
Today, so it's we came up a little late. Dapat mga 7 kasi yung usapan talaga eh. Pero we ended up like coming in here like around what time na ba? So mga almost 9 o'clock today, or this week is gonna be hot, so tumuloy pa rin kami kahit mainit. Pero anyway, welcome guys. Andito tayo sa saan po tayo?
We're in Walnut Creek.
Walnut Creek, Borges Ranch Park. So I will put it down sa description ko ano yung place na to. As you can see last time doon sa past vlog natin, nag-cherry picking tayo. So, this time, try natin hiking. We did hiking last week pero hindi namin na nakunan yon. So, still, andito. Umpisa pa lang, hinihingal na ako. Wala pa kaming 5 minutes pero hinihingal na ako. Anyway guys, enjoy the view. I will try as much as possible na kunan yung mga dadaanan namin. Anyway, welcome Kai to my vlog. Hi. This is again Kai and this is Angelo.
Oh.
Alright you guys. Kita. Wala pa 5 minutes. Hinihingal na ako. Grabe.
Palabok pa kami.
Saan sa kayo galing?
Tawa namin to sa birthday.
Palabok.
So yun. Nakakatawa. Meron kaming baon. We get some water of course. To stay hydrated. Syempre. Tapos not just that. Meron din kaming dalang palabok. Courtesy of yours truly. So, sana hindi mapanis kasi mainit. But yeah, meron kaming dalang palabok and then we will just share it maybe later pagkatapos nito or maybe half of this walking trail. Gaano ba kahaba ang
It depends.
how many is it by miles or by hours ang ano?
I think we could walk for like 3
For
hours.
minutes. 3 hours of walking.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Or you could just
No, siguro
take a shortcut.
hanggang 1 hour lang ako. Or maybe 2 hours max kung depende kung gaano kainit siya. Pero we will try our best na makarating doon sa tuktok. So as you can see here, may mga nagbabike din pala. Tapos may mga nagwa-walking din. Ayan. So pwede pala mag-park dito on the side pero doon may nag-park doon pa all the way. And anyway, walking is the best, syempre. Hi! Hala, lalapit siya sa akin. Hi! Oh, mahihain siya. I hope I can pet him or her. Sorry.
Hi,
Ang galing,
my name is
no?
Kai-san. How can I help you?
Good morning, Miss Sakai.
Good morning.
You're enrolling me.
No, you have no uniform.
Hello, Angelo. Are you interested in our program?
Yes.
Which program? The VN?
ASRT.
Program.
VN program. Good. Come on in. I need to...
So ang galing dito. Hindi ko alam kung simulation siya or simulated na classroom siya, pero as we can see, ginamit to siya sa parang talagang lumang classroom, and then kasi hindi siya props. So ano talaga siya, parang classroom talaga siya, or na classroom ba siya, pero room siya na I don't know what to say, pero mga lumang gamit siya from the school. So ito, oh wow, ang galing ah. Look at this. We have old machinery used for farming. So hindi ko alam kung again kung anong tawag dito, guys, so help me out, comment down below. Pero ang ganda niya, no? Usually makikita mo na lang to like sa museum, no? Pero in here you can see first hand. Pwede mo siyang hawakan. Pwede, I think, yes. So ang ganda. Yan. Hello peeps. Wow, what's this? Another machinery. Pero ano ba siya? Ano ba tawag dito? Galing ah. Syempre,
Sobrang sarap.
ang
Kinakain na namin yung palabok.
salamat. I know it's hindi masyado efforted, pero
Sobrang sarap talaga.
ay,
Diba, ano sabihin mo ako yung sinabi mo kanina?
10 out of 10.
Sabi niya, first time yung kumain ng palabok na ganito kasarap.
Palabok. So, guys, if you need palabok, you can order through me. Nag-plug it. No.
Ang sarap.
Pero, yeah, this is just an homemade palabok that I do. Hindi pa nga siya actually hindi pa siya actually
May tatlong itlog.
I just eat the egg.
yeah. Binadali ko pa nga yan like last night. So, yan.
Hindi pa niya to ninagay sa rep kagabi.
Niluto ko yan like 12 o'clock. Natulog ako 1 o'clock.
Oo?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did that all the time. Kasi diba, you're cooking for your daddy and mommy?
Yes. Alright. Nagdadalawang isip kami ngayon. Tuloy pa akong masahin. Kasi nabusog na kami. Itong dalawa na to, inaantok na sila. Inaantok na sila. So, siguro baka maglatag na lang ako ng banig dito. Tapos matutulog na lang ako. So, bahala na lang ako mag-hike. So, kayo ang dalawa, kitain nyo na lang ako dito. Gising nyo na lang ako pagka...
Hindi pwede, walang electric fan.
No, press ko naman eh. No? So, yeah. So guys, ano ulit yung mga kinain natin? So we got the palabok. We got some snacks going on in there. We got a ginger ale.
And we got popcorn.
This is for Angelo. Ayan, tubig lang daw siya.
And another popcorn.
And then popcorn. Maybe, ano natin yan?
And we got this
Kirahin
raspberry.
natin yan later. And then we get for Good Luck Charm
Yes, good luck.
from Miss Kai right there. Ayan. Alam ko, for me, yeah, it's a good luck charm, and also ginagamit ko rin tong pamprito. Diba? So guys, ito yung, di ba, ang tawag dito is, what do you call this?
Rosemary.
Rosemary. So,
So,
ayan.
So
Mamaya,
this is a good luck charm, so you should not eat this. Keep this in your wallet.
yes. Maybe me, for later, maghanap ako ng baka, kakatayin ko.
Oh,
Nagawa ko ng beer.
iiyak dyan si Kai.
No. Kakainin mo to?
Hindi.
Hindi niya kakainin.
Bahala kayo, basta ako, no? Maghanap ako ng baka, kakatayin ko. Kukunin ko yung Wagyu, mahal-mahal ng Wagyu.
Pupunta ka pa sa Japan?
Wagyu beef.
Di ba Wagyu beef is only in Japan? That's from Japan.
Japan? Only Japan lang?
I think
Okay.
so. Other
May
Yeah.
Oh, I
may
think,
important.
well, when I go to Japan, hindi baka hanapin ko.
Punta ba tayong Japan?
Alam niyo na kung ano hanapin ko
Do you
sa
know why
Japan.
You know why Wagyu is so
Joke.
expensive?
Lagot.
Here, dun sa kanina, yung isa lang yung baka eh. Pero ngayon there's like multiple cows na nandito. Hello, pwede ka ba lapitan? Hello. Hi. Thank you. I got it. Thank you po. So actually, ngayon, siguro mga nakaka 2 miles na kami ngayon na lakad. Right? No?
I think so, man.
Or maybe 2 minutes. 2 minutes na lakad in total. So we are currently, right now, siguro mga nakaka half mile na kami. Wala pang 1 mile kasi remember we stopped to have our breakfast. So roughly mga half mile and then mga 1 hour na ba tayo naglalakad in total,
Yeah.
including yung kanina. So 30 minutes. So siguro mga 45 to 50, almost an hour na in total simula nung nag-start tayo tapos nag-breakfast. So ito yung view from, I wouldn't say yung top, pero ito na isa sa mga view from here. Ayan. So guys, andito na kami sa Kawalan.
Kawaga.
Sa
So,
Kalawakan.
Earlier, siguro mga 20 minutes ago, Kai told me to if we can go straight lakad kasi wala nang puno, and I requested some puno. Kung may mga puno, merong puno, ayun nandun sa taas. Pero laban tayo, we can do this for good health, diba? And yeah, we're just gonna keep on walking siguro for the next 30 minutes, Kai, right?
Yeah, 30 minutes.
30 minutes, and then we'll see kung kaya pa namin dumiretso. As you can see, this trail, it leads from here going over there. So lalakarin namin yun, and then if hindi na kaya, we will just go back. And hindi naabutan, we were talking after nito, ang kulit, no? Hiking tapos
We're gonna watch
sine.
movie after.
We're gonna watch movie, hiking, parang ang layo. So we're gonna watch,
I will have popcorn.
we're gonna have popcorn, and then yeah, we'll just watch movie kasi today and actually this week magiging mainit dito sa Concord.
We're just celebrating our Angelo's
Birthday.
new job.
Happy birthday!
New happy birthday.
Thank you, Dad!
Yeah, so we're just doing this for us. At saka hindi kasi yung isang friend namin na si Angelo, right now he actually, can I share it on the vlog?
Yeah,
Yes.
Naka-graduate siya on
he's going to be a doctor.
he's going to be a doctor soon.
A surgeon.
Doctor.
No, fake doctor. No, graduate siya ng ng nurse, LVN nurse. So, congrats again, Mr. Angelo. So, naghihintay na lang siya ng tawag and work. So, yun, he wanted to spend time na at least habang wala pang trabaho doing this one. You know, it's a sweet thing na ginagawa niya to his true friends. Ayun, na makasama kami kasi magiging busy na siya as magiging nurse na siya soon. So ayan, ginagawa lang namin to. Anyway guys, like I said, we're gonna walk more 30 minutes. Where are we going? Dito? O doon?
Oh, we're gonna go there.
Okay, so doon. And then for the next 30 minutes, tingnan namin kung kaya pa namin. Alright guys, where are we right now? So
We're going that way.
this is the continuation.
This way.
this way, and then going back there, pabalik yun.
Wala.
Vlogger.
Kasi ikaw pa nag-edit yan.
Yes.
Malay mo, naging million views yan,
So anyway guys, according to Kai, ito na yung almost patapos na. Ano lang pala siya, paikot lang pala siya. So I thought na parang pupunta ka sa pinaka dulo or edge, and then you're coming back all the way that. Pero I think pag ikot namin doon, andun na actually yung parking ng car namin. So it's about like another, so natapos na yung 30 minutes. Mga ano, for we're gonna walk. How many minutes, Kai?
15.
Mga 15 minutes. So malapit na. So umikot lang kami, which is again, guys, this is a highly recommended trail or hiking trail na puntahan nyo guys dito sa, I will put the after this vlog, well actually yes, pwede ko nang i-plug. What do you call this again? Sorry. Borges hiking trail, which is located here in Walnut Creek. I will put it in the description kung ano niya, yung exact address niya. And then if you guys are interested, feel free to come in here. Pero I advise you guys na pumunta kayo ng maaga or maybe before sunset. Hindi yung like 9 o'clock kasi especially on the summer days. Masyadong mainit. Actually ngayon, mainit na siya pero we just want to finish hanggang sa huli. Okay guys, ito na yung aming beautiful view. So this is the almost the last part of the hiking trail. Shout out guys, baka meron kayong gusto i-shout out there, family, friends,
to all the Filipinos in the Philippines and all over the world. We love you all, and we are all nurses.
And Angela, how about you? Baka may gusto kong shout out yung ex mo, gusto mong murahin, gano'n.
Shout out kay
Nag-name kay
Nag-intay.
kay na graduate na rin. Okay, alright guys, kita-kits tayo on the end of that trail. So another 15 to 20 minutes probably. Sa kanila, they can do it 15 minutes, pero for sure sa akin, mga 20 minutes pa rin yan and 30 minutes. So, again guys, tapos sumasayo pa ako sa daan, so ayun. So, as you can see, nag-start tayo, well, we didn't start here, pero dun tayo dumaan kanina pa ganun. Tapos, humikot lang tayo through those small mountains, tapos pabalik dito pa ganun. And then, andito na ulit tayo. So it's 11:15. We started around like 9 o'clock ish. So it's not bad. So almost parang mga 3 hours, more than 3 hours na walk. At saka just mind you, meron kaming, oh it's 11:11. So make a wish. So yes, so mga more than 3 hours yung walk namin. And kasama pa dun yung mga breaks, kumain kami. So kung magdadiretso kayo ng walk, you could probably can take it just for maybe 2 hours in total kung walang break yun. So yeah, eto na kami. We're just again taking a break dito sa puno na to. And sarap ng hangin, very refreshing. Kahit na right now is, what's the weather right now?
74.
74, so 74 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know about the Celsius, pero that's a 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Medyo painit na rin siya. So but we're expecting to maging like 90, 95 today. So yeah, kaya nasarap ng hangin, presko. So guys, pauwi na kami at we had fun. Pahinga lang kami ng konti dun sa parang bench over there, pero dito na yung car. We're ready to go out. We're ready to go home. Siguro mag-snack lang kami a little bit sa Walnut Creek. But anyway, I will end this vlog. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, this is well recommended. I'll recommend ko sa inyo to na isa sa mga magagandang hiking places dito sa Walnut Creek o dito sa malapit sa area namin. And I hope you guys enjoy our vlog again. Like I said, sana sunod-sunod or tuloy-tuloy yung vlogging natin. We will try to vlog more places dito sa not just Concord, Walnut Creek, maybe yung simulan natin sa California, you know. And I just want to shout out sa mga ibang subscribers, mga bagong subscribers, and also yung mga maraming nagko-comment dun sa video na actually maraming salamat because it hit now on nag 10,000 views na siya dun sa yung archive. If you guys want to check the video out, that is the archive Christmas 1996. Is it 96? Yes, 96. So meron na siyang 10k views, and thank you guys for watching that. I really appreciate that, and please keep on sharing, subscribe, and like the post or the videos. Gusto ko i-shout out si Denise _18 from San Diego. He says, "Kamusta from San Diego? We've been waiting your latest vlog." Thank you, Denise, for watching our vlog. Again, you will see this latest vlog pag na-upload ko na to. And dun sa video na archives, dun sa ano to, yung Christmas 97, shout out then to MJ Ortiz 7599. Shout out then to Francisco Garcia 7113. Thank you for watching the archive vlogs. And so far, yun pa lang naman nag-shoutout, pero doon sa mga new viewers or mga new subscribers, if you guys want to shoutout namin kayo dito. Again, it's nakakatuwa dahil wala pa masyadong subscribers ang ating channel as of this moment, pero thank you very much for watching sa mga vlogs namin. And again, keep on watching, sharing. Again, shoutout ko na rin yung family ko. Hindi ko kasama si father ngayon kasi hindi naman siya sanay mag-hiking, pero siguro one of these days pagka sinipag baka madala ko sila dito. Like I said, shoutout ko yung mga friends ko dito, si Kai and Angelo, na alam nila tong place na to, and actually this is my first time. Again guys, thank you for watching. Nakakatuwa, sana mag-grow tong channel na to. And yes, subscribe. Paano ba gawin? Subscribe, watch the video, and share. Thank you very much. And guys, watch out for the next vlog. Gawin natin ito ulit. Marami pang mga susunod na vlogs. Alright?